I woke up at exactly 3:02 a.m. to someone knocking on my door. Slow, soft. At first I thought it was my mom, so I said, "Yeah?" But she didn't answer. Just more knocking. 3 times. Knock, knock, knock. Something felt wrong, because my mom never knocks. She just opens the door. Slowly, I got out of bed and walked toward it. My hand was on the handle when my phone buzzed. It was a message from my mom. "I'm not home yet." My heart dropped because the knocking was still coming from outside my door. To be continued.